So what I'm very, very proud of is that where we were 4 years ago, and the lack of trust we had between the participants, we all wanted to be there because we knew how important it was and wanted to make a difference, but we really didn't know how to work with each other very well. Fast forward to where we are 4 years from now, and the amount of trust in the room is just unbelievable. And I think about having someone like Darienne come on board, and she's just jumped right in 2 feet first, and really I think she knows how important Milwaukee Succeeds is to try to accomplish her goals. And I think right now you're going to see the team move much, much faster because the organizations have really realized how to best work together and they trust each other.
We now have some clear indicators of ways that you can donate in terms of time, in terms of strategy, in terms of sort of organizational resources that we could really benefit from in terms of the 4 goal areas and helping us get Milwaukee Succeeds off the ground. But I think the most important thing to take back is that there are people in place who are working together, who have a vision for how we can transform education in our city, and it's going to take everyone's help and ownership to be able to do that. And so that's a message that's not often heard. Unfortunately, all you hear in the paper are the things that aren't working well. But it's important that you do know that your educational system is in good hands, and to please communicate that back to your colleagues.
The ability that we've had to create public-private partnership within our corporations for our initiatives. And so currently part of the infrastructure that Milwaukee Succeeds works in is each one of the strategies and networks uses a Six Sigma black belt model. And so we're working with GE Healthcare and Rockwell Automation, namely, and using their Six Sigma black belt trained individuals to really guide our efficiency within each one of the strategies. So as we're moving forward, we're looking at a continuous improvement model. And that's been really beneficial to help us move what generally takes and still takes quite some time to move systems change in the social sector. We've been able to shorten that amount of time to be able to pull some of the low-hanging